I can import this face capture file, but okay, let's just set it to 1 and it will import, but this doesn't look like a face at all. And yeah, doesn't really work. Let's try I think if I set it to, yeah, I think when I set it to 1000 something, there was some change going on. Let's see. Was it 100? Yeah, no, they're moving, but anyway, the thing is, it does not look like a face. So something is very wrong with that BVH file in LightWave. So what to do? This Blender. So you can clearly see that this is a face, and it has, you know, the face movement there. Let's just see. Let's just create a new one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to file import BVH. Where are you? There. Take this one, and there it is. You can press comma. Okay, yeah. If comma doesn't work, then just press A and then comma on the numpad. Okay, so you can see that this is actually working. So why is that working in Blender? I'm not sure. Alright, so we got those. So what we can do is we can export it to FBX. So I'll just do that and simply export it in LightWave. I can take that one, just call it FBX. I think I should just, let's see if I can just drag that over. No, that's actually an open command. So open FBX. It does take some time. I'm just going to leave this for, at default for now. Okay, so I think, let's see, if we take all of those guys, yeah, so I can hide those, I guess. Yeah, so if I go like that, they should be hidden, and there it is. So you can see that that is not too far away from what we had in Blender. So yeah, so if I scrub this now, yeah, that's pretty much correct. So that's how we can fix that if you're using this Moviemation face track application. But yeah, I'm wondering why it didn't fly in LightWave. Why I couldn't just import that BVH in LightWave. Might very well have to do with BVH structure. So you can see that this is the structure of that face cap from Moviemation. If I look at this example BVH, you can see that it's quite different. You can see that the hierarchy is quite different from the file from Moviemation. So maybe that's the clue, I don't know. Let's just preview that. That BVH file. Looks like that. If I try to import that in LightWave, it looks like this. So why is LightWave so damn screwed up when it comes to this stuff? I don't really get it. Yeah, Blender. So what's up?